What if I told you there's a city running right now with banks, shops, an entire economy, and not a single human lives there? Every citizen is an AI agent, every transaction is real, and every single one is protected by zero knowledge proof. This is Midnight City, and it's one of the wildest things happening in crypto right now. So here's the deal. Midnight, the privacy blockchain launching mainnet at the end of this month, needed to prove their network actually works under real pressure. But instead of running boring synthetic benchmarks, they built an entire simulated city you can explore right now at midnight.city. It got districts, it's got an economy, AI agents are buying, selling, transferring, interacting, generating thousands of real transactions. And every single one of those transactions goes through the full CK proof pipeline. Now you might be thinking, why use AI agents instead of just scripting a bunch of transactions? Here's the thing, scripts are predictable. There is no way to do the same thing over and over. That's not how real networks behave. AI agents are unpredictable. They make decisions, they react to each other. One agent selling triggers another agent buying, which triggers three more agents, for example, doing something completely different. That creates realistic transaction flows, the kind of chaos that actually happens when real users hit a network. And that is what you want to stress test against. So Midnight basically said, let's build an economy that behaves like a real one, let it run and see if our CK infrastructure holds up. Really bold move. Okay, let's peek under the hood for a second because this is where it really gets interesting. Every transaction these agents make supports three different disclosure views. Midnight calls this rational privacy. First, the public view. Basic info that anyone on the network can see. Think of it like a outside of an envelope. You see it exists, you see the timestamp. Second, you have the auditor view. This is kind of the compliance layer. Regulators, auditors, they get extra details, enough to verify the rules were followed, but not enough to see everything. Third, the gut view. Full access only for explicitly trusted parties. The complete picture. This is fundamentally different from other privacy chains like Monero, Zcash. They are all or nothing. Everything hidden or everything visible. Midnight lets you choose what to reveal, to whom, and under what conditions. And every single one of these privacy levels is enforced by zero knowledge proof. Not by trust, not by permissions, but by math. So here's why the timing matters. Midnight mainnet, the Kukolo phase, launches at the end of March. That's this month. Google Cloud is running nodes, Blockdaemon, Vodafone's Pairpoint, eToro. These aren't small players. And Midnight City is proving right now, in real time, that the proof generation pipeline can handle volume, that the CK circuits work, that the privacy model holds under pressure. This isn't trust us, it works. This is actually, look at this city full of AI agents. It's working right now. Go check it yourself. So, most blockchains testnets are ghost towns. A few clicks from devs clicking on buttons, some script transactions. Nobody actually stress test that thing. Midnight took a completely different approach. They built a living, breathing economy powered by autonomous AI agents, and they made it public so anyone can watch, inspect transactions, and verify that the CK proof are real. If you're building anything that needs, for example, privacy on chain, whether it's a AI agent handling sensitive data, DeFi with compliance requirements, for example, or enterprise apps that need audit trails, this is the network to watch. Well, go explore midnight.city, poke around the transactions, look at the proof data. It's genuinely fascinating. And if you want the full technical breakdown of how Midnight's privacy architecture actually works, the three disclosure layers, Nightstream, TE attestations, all of it, we're dropping a deep dive on that next. We help teams build exactly this kind of infrastructure, AI agents with privacy, compliance built in, links to everything in the description. including how to work with us, right? And if you want direct access to the team for your specific questions, check out our membership, post your questions, and get expert answers. See you in the next one.